Hey everyone, let's find out how to design a Halloween-themed countdown timer for WordPress sites and create the perfect hype for this spooky season. Let's start with the Gutenberg editor. Make sure you have essential blocks installed and activated on your website. Now, click on the plus icon where you want to add the timer to your page or post. Type countdown in the search bar and select the block to add it. Next, hit the choose button to select from multiple layout options. Click to insert your preferred template. The countdown timer will then be added to your page. Let us customize the block's settings and give a Halloween vibe. Under the General tab, set a countdown due date. From the Style tab, you can change the background color for both normal and hover options. Next, customize the color and typography of the digits from the Digits section. In the Labels section, you can modify the color and typography of the labels. Toggle to enable the separator in the Separator section. You may also alter the separator's color here. From the Advanced tab, you get to adjust the margin and tweak advanced background settings. Click on the Save button after all customizations based on the Halloween theme. Let's have a preview. The newly added countdown timer is visible according to our selected settings. Let's learn how to add a Halloween-themed countdown timer to your Elementor website. Make sure you have essential add-ons and Elementor installed on your website. Open the page where you want to add the timer. From the Elementor side panel, type in Countdown in the search bar. Drag and drop the Essential Add-ons Countdown widget and add it where you want on your page. Under the Timer settings in the Content tab, select a timer type from the drop-down. For the Evergreen timer type, set the countdown time. Toggle to enable recurring countdown if needed. Set after how many hours the countdown will be restarted. From the Content settings, toggle to disable displaying days if needed. You can also toggle to enable displaying the separator if you want. Edit the typography and other settings to match your countdown timer with the Halloween theme. In the Style tab, personalize the countdown styles. Adjust the color and typography and modify the individual box styling. From the Advanced tab, you can further tweak settings for content protection, advanced tooltip, motion effects and more. Adjust the settings to match the vibe of Halloween. This is how easily you can design a Halloween-themed countdown timer in WordPress. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. We hope your Halloween sales exceed all your expectations this season. Best of luck!